Here are 50 daily use sentences you can use while visiting and talking about a hotel. Checking in. 1. I have a reservation under my name. 2. Do you have any rooms available? 3. What time is check-in? 4. I'd like a single/double room, please. 5. Can I see the room before booking? 6. Is breakfast included in the price? 7. How much does the room cost per night? 8. Can I pay by credit card? 9. I'd like to check in, please. 10. Do you need my ID for the booking? During the stay. 11. What time is breakfast served? 12. Is there a gym in the hotel? 13. Can you clean my room, please? 14. Do you have free Wi-Fi? 15. Can I get an extra pillow/blanket, please? 16. Is room service available? 17. Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? 18. Is there a pool in the hotel? 19. How do I connect to the internet? 20. Can you send someone to fix the air conditioning? Asking for assistance. 21. Can I get a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? 22. Where can I park my car? 23. Can you arrange transportation to the airport? 24. Do you provide laundry service? 25. Can I store my luggage after checkout? 26. Can I extend my stay for another night? 27. What's the best way to get to the city center? 28. Do you have a map of the local area? 29. Can you help me book a tour? 30. Can I order food to my room? Checking out. 31. I'd like to check out, please. 32. Can I get an itemized bill? 33. Do I need to return the room key? 34. Can you call a taxi for me? 35. I enjoyed my stay, thank you. 36. Do you have any feedback forms? 37. Can I leave a review for the hotel? 38. Can I pay the balance now? 39. Is there a charge for late checkout? 40. I forgot something in my room. Can I retrieve it? Talking about a hotel. 41. The hotel staff was very friendly. 42. The rooms were clean and spacious. 43. I loved the view from my room. 44. The location of the hotel was perfect. 45. The food at the hotel restaurant was amazing. 46. The hotel had great facilities, including a gym and a pool. 47. The Wi-Fi speed was excellent. 48. The hotel was a bit expensive, but worth it. 49. I didn't like the noise from the street. 50. I would definitely recommend this hotel to others. These sentences will help you navigate your stay and discuss your experience at a hotel.